Are you looking for the best car ramp? In this video, we will break down the top 6 car ramps on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
VideoWiki is a product review database in video format. Here we're a group of product research where we test, analyze, and research trending products. Our goal is to create a list of top picks with buying guides for every category based on the product's features, quality, price, and user feedback. If you choose from our list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available today. Make sure to check the products link down below in the description. And please like the video and subscribe to our channel to get more product reviews regularly.
At number 1. Race ramps are our 40 inches race ramps. These lightweight ramps from Rhinoramps are specially designed so they don't scuff up your garage floor and feature a 16.7-degree angle of approach intended for sports cars with minimal ground clearance. These ramps are 100% solid, made with high-density expanded foam and a rugged anti-slip coating. This patented process results in a product that is extremely lightweight, yet strong and durable. Plus, the ramps will not slide, scratch, or otherwise damage any floor type. They even work on ice. It can accommodate vehicles up to 1,500 pounds per ramp with a maximum tire width of 8 inches, and is made of heavy, foam-like material, and provide a good amount of clearance. They are large but designed to be light, and it has a handle for easy transportation. And with a large surface, they should grip the ground securely, preventing slippage when moving a vehicle forward or backing it down. Keeping that in mind, Rhinoramps designed a ramp that can lift up these low-profile cars as high as 7 inches on a total of 40-inch length, which tells you that the ramp will be very gradual to take the car up very smoothly and not cause any damage under the car. Finally, these ramps are best suited for exotic and sports cars that are closer to the ground. At number 2. Rhinogear 11909 ABMI Rhinoramps Vehicle Ramps. This Rhinogear 11909 ABMI Rhinoramps vehicle ramp is one of the best in terms of options. You should find it can work great and still deliver on some good performance when it comes to car maintenance. So, you end up having a product that delivers on good performance generally. It is made of a sturdy, heavy-duty polymer, and it takes just seconds to set them up and drive a vehicle onto them. It boasts of having a laborious and durable design. This means that you will be able to have a good time working with it. This is going to provide some good functionality to make sure you get some of the best ramps on the market. It is possible to act as reliable and convenient access to the bottom of the car. As a result, it's going to work great in terms of maintenance or parking in the showroom. Having the 17-degree incline provides it with some of the best performance generally. It comes with ease of loading up even the low-clearance vehicles. You should have a good time when it comes to working with it overall. As for the capacity, you get that it can support up to 12,000 pounds. This is an impressive performance considering that other models on the list can support far less. At number 3. Bisupply Vehicle Service Ramps. The Bisupply Vehicle Service Ramp Set, 6.6 inches car lift is perfect for easily and comfortably working on the underside of your vehicle. With a generous 10,000-pound weight capacity per tire ramp, you can safely change your oil, transmission fluid, drive belt, or other vehicle parts. Coming in at just 19.5 pounds each, these car jack ramps are designed for easy transportation. These ramps are easy to use and provide a stable foundation for your car while you work. Made from heavy-duty and thick, durable plastic, these ramps are built to last and provide superior traction when driving on. The traction dot design makes it easy to guide your car up the ramps, while the chocks provide extra security. This impressive set of ramps lifts your truck or car up 6.6 inches from the ground, providing you with plenty of clearance and convenient access to the underside of your vehicle. Plus, the 11.3-inch wide automobile ramps are perfect for extra-wide tires. Overall, these heavy-duty truck ramp sets are the perfect addition to your garage or workshop. And each package includes two 47-inch, 119.4 centimeters long ramps, perfect for changing the oil or performing other vehicle repairs. At number 4. Black Widow PSR 295 Plastic Car Service Ramps. Designed by Black Widow, these heavy-duty car ramps are built for larger, heavier vehicles like SUVs, vans, trucks, and even larger sedans. With a promise of a 6.25-inch lift off the ground, these ramps give you more than enough space underneath your vehicle. Each ramp measures 35.5 x 12 x 8.5 inches and is able to accommodate vehicles that weigh up to 16,000 pounds. The ramps have a gentle slope and a tire stopper at the end of the flat platform, and a gridded surface texture aids your tires in getting traction. Their added stability and balance allow these ramps to easily hold up vehicles weighing up to 8 tons without any strain. They also have rubber feet on the bottom, which makes using these ramps safer and easier. There are also handle cutouts on the side to make carrying them easier. The grooves on the ramps add another layer of safety for your heavy-duty vehicles. But the trade-off for a thigh lift is the steep incline, which makes these ramps unfit for low cars. Unfortunately, the plastic used to manufacture these ramps is not the most durable, and you'll want to keep an eye out for cracks. They're also bulky, and you can't stack them, which makes storage a challenge. At number 5. Rage Powersports Low-Profile Removable Ramps. If you are the type of person who doesn't believe in plastic or foam construction and doesn't mind spending more on a well-built ramp, then this aluminum 2-piece Rage Powersports low-profile removable car ramp may be for you. These aluminum car ramps will lift your vehicle 9.5 inches off the ground. That is generally plenty of room for oil changes and other maintenance. They consist of two separate stands that are 24 inches long by 16 inches wide and two removable ramps that are 73.75 inches long. The two ramps have a single axle weight load rating of 3,000 pounds. Another nice feature is the low incline of 7.6 degrees, which makes for a great low-profile car ramp that can lift your car as high as it does. The low angle also helps to keep the ramp from sliding as you drive up and onto it. Plus, being made of aluminum, you don't need to worry about rust. These car ramps are more expensive than most ramps due to their aluminum construction. Anyway, these are serious ramps made entirely of aluminum. They are light in weight for their size, but the long length of the ramps makes them bulky and reduces portability. At number 6. Discount Ramps 6009 V2 Car Ramps. When it comes to the Discount Ramps 6009 V2 car ramp, the term discount doesn't mean cheap. This ramp set made our list because of both consumer and critical praise for its performance. Built for smaller cars and lower clearances, the ramps will lift your vehicle by 2.5 inches so that you can insert a jack underneath and elevate the vehicle. The ramps can support vehicle weights of up to 4,400 pounds at an incline angle of about 10 degrees. The honeycomb design prevents water buildup and promotes a better grip from the tire to the surface. If you don't require a higher vertical lift, then Discount Ramps delivers everything you need for your vehicle. These are made of plastic, and a honeycomb design avoids long-term moisture buildup. An integrated wheel groove serves as a tire stop. Each ramp is compact and weighs less than 5 pounds. So these are super portable, easy to move around, and really simple to store as well. Overall, they make using a jack a lot easier. Getting a jack under a low car can be hard for most people. You can use these car service ramps for low vehicles for that little bit of extra clearance. Your jack now fits under the vehicle with ease, and you can jack the car or truck up height that you require. Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends. If you find this video helpful, subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feel.